Let's make a really easy, delicious, comforting, and absolutely sublime tomato bisque. It's perfect for this time of year since it's a little chilly outside and for dunking a perfectly golden and cheesy grilled cheese. It is such a phenomenal combo, one of my very favorite things to eat, and I just know you're gonna love it. Now, this tomato bisque is a little different than what I call my ultimate tomato bisque, which I will leave that recipe linked below. This is using only fresh tomatoes. Now, that version that I'm going to share with you down below has a few other things in it which I do think makes it for the absolute ultimate, but this is a recipe I like to make when I'm using any leftover tomatoes at the end of the season, tomatoes that are left over in the garden, whatever you have on hand. This is what I like to use. This is what I like to make with those. I just want to be able to intensify that fresh tomato and just savor it one last time before adding cans of tomato product to this. So I'm taking a bunch of tomatoes. You need a couple of pounds total, some shallots and garlic, fresh herbs like thyme and oregano, extra virgin olive oil, a little balsamic, some salt. Toss it all together. Put it into the oven at 450 for about 45-ish minutes. You want this to be really deeply in color and really intensifies, and that tomato flavor gets really sweet, and all those juices are just gonna add to your phenomenal soup that you're gonna love. A trick that I always like to use when making tomato bisque is to add a potato. This just gives you the most velvety texture and it's amazing. I'm adding a couple tablespoons of tomato paste along with some veggie stock or just some water in a veggie cube. Get that to a simmer. Then I add in the rind of some parm and simmer everything together until the potatoes are really tender. And then I go ahead and just use my immersion blender to blend it, add a little bit of cream, simmer that for like 5 minutes, and then it's done. Adjust your seasoning to taste, add a little bit of fresh basil, some fresh parm, make a grilled cheese, and it is heavenly. I hope that you make it. I hope that you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.